Imagine an explosion so powerful, it can outshine an entire galaxy. These are called gamma ray bursts, the brightest explosions ever observed in the universe. NASA launched the Swift satellite to detect these brief flashes and quickly point its instruments toward them, sometimes within minutes. By studying these powerful events, scientists learn more about black holes, collapsing stars, and the evolution of the universe. Some of the universe's biggest mysteries begin with a single flash of light.